Welcome to my video. If you're new, make sure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you Guess Factory 10% off, 15 and 20% off coupon, also free shipping and 25% off entire site product. You can check out. Click on of this shop now button. It will take you to the Guess Factory official website and enjoy the 20% off discount to their product that will help you to save money with confidence. Also, you can copy this coupon, apply in the coupon option. It will work and give you the best discount with confidence. Every month updated discount coupons you will get here. If you need coupon code like this for any website, check my YouTube video description second link. Search here with any website name keyword to get coupon code like this. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, save money, feel happy. See you again into the next video.